Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. I hope you're all very good. So today I don't know why I put myself through these things, but I bought a mystery box from Roccabox. It was their Boxing Day kind of like one-off boxes, mystery boxes for £7. You get 3 options, but you don't know what is in them. So you could buy all 3 of them, and I know that they said that they could potentially have the same thing in all of them. I only wanted to get one because I was like, let's take my chance and see if I get any makeup, because obviously I like to talk about makeup, I like to use makeup. My channel is main purpose is for makeup. And I got this box today, and I know it's been like bank holiday, so it's taken a couple of days for it to turn up, which there's no problem with that whatsoever. And so I got it today, and I thought I would show you guys what is inside. I have opened it already to see what is inside, and I don't know why I'm gritting my teeth like this, because I'm trying to smile, but you can already probably tell that I'm not very happy with what's in there. But I need to stop putting these boxes on such a high pedestal. I mean, I've always said, when it comes to these subscription boxes, I know that brands want to kind of mix things up, and I know a lot of boxes have the same stuff in them. I've had previously a couple of mystery boxes, like a glossy box and a couple of other ones, and I've absolutely hated them because the kind of ratio between makeup and skincare and hair care has been so bad. Like, I think there were boxes where I got like no makeup and I got complete skincare, and for someone who has sensitive skin, I cannot use a lot of the products, so I just gave them away to people. But you know, it's my own chance for taking these. So when I bought this, I selected option number 2. These aren't available on the website anymore because they were just for Boxing Day. So yeah, let's just stop complaining for a whole 2 minutes and let's see what it is. So when you open it, it says taking you on a journey of beauty discovery. I can tell you right now, what I think of beauty is, you know, makeup and skincare, things like this, which is fair enough. I can honestly tell you now, there's no makeup in here. So if you're looking for makeup, I'm sorry, but there's some disappointment as much as I am. But let's just get on with it. So this, you open it and you get a card in here which tells you about Roccabox, and you know, if you like it, you can start a subscription. It's £15 a month, I believe. You can get many different months and you get a discount. You get 5 to 7 products every month to your home, and that's it. And I am not interested in purchasing any mystery boxes or any other boxes anymore, because I say that, but we'll see. So the first thing, actually I forgot to say, sorry, the actual amount that you're supposed to be getting here is £100. So that's probably what actually steered me towards getting this box, because I was like, £7 to like £100, obviously that's a lot of money, and that's why I was like, yeah, I'm really excited to see what we can get. And again, I wasn't holding my hopes up for too high, so I don't know why I'm frustrated already. But the first thing that I saw is a self-tanning lotion. So this is the Vita Liberata, I'm so sorry if I cannot pronounce anything, the fabulous self-tanning gradual lotion. Okay, so this is for face and body. I don't use self-tan lotion, so that's going to go to someone who does tan. The next thing I saw in here is for something for skin. So this is a pick-me-up skill illuminating ampoule for dull skin. This is from Doctor's Cosmetical. I've not heard of any of these brands. I can't even say words right now. But I think these are like, I've seen them online where you like break off the top and then you rub it into your skin. I need to check if I can use this. It's paraben free and it's vegan, so that's good. This is for applying on a daily for optimal results. I don't know how many you get in here, because obviously if you need to use this every day, you need to buy more. So I'll see how many is inside. The next thing I see is Evelyn Rose Luscious Shower Milk. So this is probably a sample size, and it's quite a nice size though. It's how much is in here? 15 milliliters, so it's 0.50 fluid ounces. It's a shower milk, so it's basically just like a shower moisturizer. I don't mind the smell of rose. You can smell rose quite a lot in there. So actually, is it? It's by the brand Crabtree and Evelyn. I've not heard of them. The next thing I see is a hand sanitizer, a mint hand sanitizer by the brand Antomicals. So it says Selly Twits ignore their mitts. So that's quite funny. I mean, obviously during this whole lockdown pandemic, the whole thing is like wash your hands and use sanitizer and stuff like that, which is perfectly fine. A sanitized world where nothing ever offends, question mark. Well, perhaps the thought, a hand sanitized world, however, well, there's a different matter after all. Any fool can ignore the rudest insult, but they still can't ignore germs and viruses. That's fair. Oh wow, that's really strong. I'm only using the tiniest amount because I'm sure it will give me some type of headache. And my cough is barely going, so because I have COVID right now, I don't know if I'm clear of it now, but it's good to have hand sanitizer. For it to be a mint smell, I'm trying to not choke right now because it is quite strong. The next thing I see is by Bare Minerals. So it is a makeup brand, but it's not a makeup item. So this is the Ageless Night Concentrate Retinol, 10% phyto retinol. So I don't actually know what this is. Blah, 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 blah. I avoid contact in the eye area. I mean, I'm not going to be putting anything in my eye anytime soon, I'll tell you that. So let's see what this is. So this, I think it's a night cream or something like that. This is called Ageless, which none of us are, so that's helpful. Apply after cleansing at night. Avoid the eye area. So, I mean, yeah, again, I don't know if I can use this because I already have something that I use on my skin before bed, before my rosacea. If you have used this, let me know what you think of it. It's it's like a little picture inside that tells me what the flower is. Okay, so yeah, that's meant to help me look younger. I need that for sure. We have 2 products left. So we have Hair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Mask by the brand Beauty Pro. I will definitely use this because it's my hair is, I don't know, my hair is okay. It's just needs conditioning a lot more, but it's for it leaves your hair silky and smooth, and it's got argan oil, jojoba seed oil, and gojo berry, whatever. You leave it in 15 minutes. You can travel with it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so if you want to take this on your airplane and maybe in between your flight, put it on for 15 minutes and take it off. I don't know how they would feel about that. And then the last thing now is from Nip and Fab, and this is the Vitamin C Cleanser. Yeah, cleansers are nice. I mean, we all need cleansers because it's always good to like double cleanse, and it's a nice size actually. I think this is obviously like a full size, so this is 4.9 fluid ounces, so this will last me quite a while. And the cleanser that I normally use, which is by Colourpop, that's actually nearly finished, so this is quite handy. So yeah, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items actually, so they work out like £1 each really, even though I could probably use about 3 of them. And I know that it's very difficult for like mystery boxes to cater to everyone. That's probably like, it's just, I buy things off my own back knowing that I will probably be disappointed. I was hoping for some makeup items, but the thing is, it didn't say on the description if any, like each box, what it would kind of cater to, and that's probably what I would like to have known, because me choosing option 2 was just me being edgy, and I was like, oh, let's try option number 2 because that might be something completely different, and it was, even though I haven't really seen any images on people's like Instagram, because I was having a look at like the tags and I couldn't see anything with the other mystery boxes, but we shall see in the future. Let me know if you picked up one of these boxes, if you picked up option 1 or 3. I think there are only 3 options, I'm not sure. For the Boxing Day kind of sale, and what you got, or if you got the same things as I did, because I'm pretty sure some of these would probably be in other boxes. I know I'm probably being a bit dramatic, but that's just how I feel around mystery boxes, as just how how much I can use and what I will be using and what will be beneficial for me and what I'll just give away to people, because about 3 of the things I will give away because I don't need them. And that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is a nice short video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias because I'm always active on there. And I hope you guys are doing really good. I hope you're healthy, happy and you're safe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.